How to create a 2x1 custom sized for a wide Rollo printer. I'll definitely teach you how. So first is that you have to open control panel. So type in control panel on your search box and then click on control panel at the top to look for view devices and printers. Once you have that, look for your Rollo printer. Right click on it, and after that click on printing preferences. Once it's opened, click on the third tab that says settings, and then below this is where you can add a custom size. So here you type in 2x1, and then below is where you type in the measurement in millimeters. But since you only know it in inches, we need to pull up the calculator. So with Google, you type in inches to millimeters, and then once you see the calculator, just type in 2. There you have it, 50.8. So all you need to do is you have to round it off to the nearest whole number. So that makes it 51. So for width, it would be 51 millimeters, which is for 2 inches, and for 1 inch, which is 25.4, you just round it off again to the nearest whole number, and that would make it 25. And then click on save. Don't ever forget to click that. And then click on apply, and then OK. Actually, you're all good here, but let's try to print a label. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull up design.rollo.com. So here is actually, this is a free website by Rollo. So you just need to log into your Rollo account. If ever you don't have an account yet, you could always sign up for free. And again, guys, did I just say free? Yes, this is free. So once you're logged in, you can create a design. So all you need to do is just click on create new design at the top right. So once you click it, here you can enter the measurement in inches. So you just type in 2x1, and then you click on start designing. So as you design, you can actually in this platform you can add texts, you can add icons. So here I'll just speed up this part here real quick, just so that you don't have to wait so long. So I'm adding a text, an icon, and I'm just arranging it. Alright, a little bit more, and I guess I'm done. So now I'm just gonna save the project. You can actually save your project and print. You can also have it downloaded, the icon beside the printer. So here on the print prompt, this is where you can find the 2x1 custom size as you print. So there, it's at the very bottom. And then let's click print. Let's see how it goes. And there you have it. Okay, this is the 2x1 custom size that we've just created. And if ever you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment below, share, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.